Question 15, have a go. Right, now, Lauren has 2 bags. The first bag contains 3 red counters and 2 blue counters. Now look, counters from the first bag, that's all this bit over here on the left. So the chances of getting a red are 3 out of 5. 3 out of the total, which is obviously 5 from the first bag. Chances of getting blue is the rest, so that's 2 out of 5. Now note how both bits of this crocodile mouth will add up to a whole. That is always the case. 3/5 and 2/5 as a whole. Now we're told from the second bag, that's all this information over here on the right hand side of the tree diagram. We've got 2 red and 5 blue. So a red is 2 out of 7, a blue is 5 out of 7. Now this bit down here is an exact repeat of the bit above. It's just sort of looking at the same thing again should a blue have been taken from the first bag. So this is just a duplication of what you've written up here. Now for part B, we're asked to work out the probability that Lauren takes 1 counter of each colour. So think how this diagram works. Imagine you're walking along these lines. That's a red, then a red, giving you red, red. This along here would be a red, then a blue, or here would be a blue, then a red, and down here would be a blue and a blue. Now we want to get 1 of each colour. So the way to do that is either to get a red, then a blue, so ending up here, or a blue then a red. So let's picture those 2 journeys. The red then a blue, it's a 3/5 and then a 5/7. 3/5 and a 5/7. If in your head you would say it's an and, you multiply. So that's why it's a multiplication. How do you multiply fractions? It's top times top, bottom times bottom. 3/5 are 15, 5/7 are 35. Now the second way we can get 1 of each colour is to get a blue and then a red. So 2/5 then 2/7. It's another situation where in your head you'd be saying and, so it's times 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 times, 2 2s are 4, 5 7s are 35. So these are the 2 ways that you can get 1 of each colour. Now we don't care which way it happens. We don't mind whether it's this or this. Now if it's a sentence where in your head you would be saying an or, you add. So now it is 15/35 add 4/35, which is 19/35.